Hello, this is David McKnight, and I'm going to give you another screencast of week 4. We did rest kit this week. We didn't really, I couldn't really find a rest kit for Objective C. So what I did find was something similar. It's called Alamo Fire, which I used starting last week, which is a really awesome library. When it's connected up with SwiftCJSON, which is another great library of Swift, it's very, 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 very powerful. This week I really what I did for the most part was working on a second view. Oops, I didn't mean to open that. And so I want to give you a rundown of my API real quick. So this week I'm basically doing a second view. I have my systems, getting all my systems, and then I have a call right here where I'm going to get my games per system. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to /game system ID, and it's going to select all games for system ID equals system ID, execute query. I'm going to show you real quick what this looks like if I do this. Go to localhost. Obviously, that's not going to work. And we just need to go to game.id, and we'll do right here, it's 3 in my database. This is my Super Nintendo system, and these are the games I have in my database. And if you look at my database, here are my games right here. And so, fast forward to the app, I have a second scene, which I'm going to add programmatically. We're going to go, when we click on a cell of the table view, we're going to go do a query. So, and as we're going to do a query, we're going to get all the cells, all the games in that system. So, let me show you how this works in the view controller. Very simple. We just have a function did select row at index path, and so we just have we instantiate the view controller, which is our games view controller, and we just make a game temp system. And all right, so on this game controller we have a global variable or variable, and we just basically assign what we select to it, the object, which is system, what we're using. And so when we click on that system, it sets the value over here. And so our controller, or the query we're calling, is Alamo Fire. And this is how easy it is. You just do a request, and you just make sure you say it's get, and then you get you do your URL, localhost game, parent system ID. Cool way to do things, and a really cool way to concatenate in Swift. And then you do a .response JSON, which is just so easy to do. And then we just get our JSON from our JSON. This is actually SwiftCJSON right here. And so I'm just printing it out just for my own debugging purposes. And then we just have it for index object in JSON, let name equal object string value. And then we just do games array. We're just appending that value. We're just going to have to do a table view refresh, and then all we're doing down here is just setting the name of the game. Very, very easy to do. We haven't made a game class yet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the game class, but we have a system class that is for our domain right now. So we just click run. Give me a second. This comes up. All right, here we go. And so here are my 4 systems. I got SNES, or SNES, SNES, Super Nintendo, N64, Xbox 360, PS4. So when you click on Super Nintendo, it's going to come out with Super Mario World, Donkey Kong Country, Xbox 360, Mass Effect, South Park, Stick of Truth, the game I'm actually playing right now. PS4, Dragon Age, Last of Us, and then N64, GoldenEye, 007, Banjo-Kazooie. So there's my progress on my app. Next week, we'll be integrating, since we didn't have REST-Kit, we'll just be integrating whatever the new technology, and hopefully there'll be a Swift version and everything. Thank you very much. Have a good day.